Hi, I'm Stu. Welcome back to another LumaFusion video tutorial. Today we're going to do a little bit of housekeeping. Now, if you're like me and you use the titles panel a lot, probably found yourself getting duplicates of things that you just don't need to be working on. So today I'm going to show you how to best clean these things up. Now, thanks to the guys at LumaTouch, we can now remove and tidy up our titles an awful lot more easily within the actual app itself, although I will show you the other option that you have for, shall we say, batch clearing out different presets that you just don't want to operate with. As you can see, I've actually got quite an amount of repeat titles. I'm not 100% sure how or why these get done because I don't specifically save them myself, but I do want to sort of clear them out. If we tap the little tick icon, we can then select our different options and basically do a little bit of housekeeping and delete the ones that we don't want. So I'm basically just going to get rid of all the repeats. Take that one off just now and then just do delete. And then just a case of rinse and repeat. So I'm going to take these out. You can also drag and slide. Take that out. Don't think I'm going to need this. So they can all go. Do need those, but we'll use one of them. So we'll keep one of those and we'll rename it later on. I do quite like my little panel previews and things like that. So I'm going to keep probably that one. So we'll deselect it, but we'll get rid of these smaller ones. Keep the ones with text and get rid of those. And you can see these have all been duplicated on this sort of highlighter gold, and we just don't need or want that. So I'm just going to highlight the ones I don't want and then delete them. And we've got some different credit options down here. Let's get rid of them because we've got the original below. There we go. This is your standard presets as well, which I'm pretty sure you can actually delete them. Again, tap the tick, make sure we haven't got anything highlighted, and then we're just going to take these guys out. Take that out, take that out, take that out. Basically just clean them off. And as you can see, we've got an awful lot less than we did before. Now I'm going to stop at this point in terms of doing this in LumaFusion. And if you navigate out, and then we go to our Files app, you then go to On My iPad, and then the LumaFusion folder, Presets, and then Titles. You'll see them all listed here. Now, the harder thing about this is you're relying upon the file name rather than specifically anything else. So just looking through it right now, I think we've got everything we want to keep. I'll probably take away that iPhone 13 and iPad Pro graphic because I just don't use them. Don't need the line, and that's that cleaned up. So we'll go back into LumaFusion now and we'll rename some of these files and then do a final cleanup. Okay, so if you want to rename a preset, highlight it, go up to the little three dots and then tap on rename clip. And I'm going to call this by the font I'm using, which is American Typewriter. And then just put title. And then changes that. This one here, I don't think I need that many. Okay, so we'll recall this one. I'll give it another name, which is video preview. I use these for my Skillshare tutorials more than anything else, but they're handy to have. So there you go, that gives you a good idea of just the basics of tidying up an actual title itself. Anyway, that's been me for today. Just a really simple tutorial, nothing exciting and dramatic today, but more of a kind of housekeeping tutorial for you guys. And I will catch you on the next one. See you later.